Hi there. Did you know that due to carbon accumulation in your car engine, the performance level and efficiency of the car engine parts, like turbo, engine valves, pistons, EGR valve, catalytic converter, DPF and exhausts goes down? Hence your car starts using more petrol or diesel due to carbon buildup. Now introducing Nile Decarbonizer in Uganda to solve these issues of your engine. Nile Decarbonizer use a machine that produce HHO and it is introduced into your air intake of your engine. This process starts cleaning your car engine combustion chamber and parts like engine valves, pistons, EGR valve, catalytic converter, DPF and exhausts. This process takes about 40 to 70 minutes depending on the engine size. After this process, your car engine, the performance and efficiency level will be back to its full capacity. This process continues for the next 100 kilometers as you continue driving. Visit us at www.niledecarbonizer.com to know more.